is Keep Moving Movement ke volunteers Maria Calcutta-wala and Zehnaz Lokhand-wala. Maria, you have a poem you'd want to share on Radio 1.
Yeah, this is one poetry written by Javed Akhtar and narrated in the movie Zindagi Na Mile Dobara by Farhan Akhtar, and it is an amazing piece of poetry. Again, a very inspirational one. दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो. तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो. हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो खोले अपनी बाहें. हर एक पल एक नया समा दिखाए ये निगाहें. जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. दिलों में अपनी बेताबियां लेकर चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
Thank you so much for reminding us about the poem. You know, after seeing the movie, that poem had stayed in my head, but I had forgotten about it past couple of years. Wonderful,
Thank you,
wonderful.
Shubhra, to you as well.
Now, Keep Moving Movement has a Facebook presence because I'm sure जो आपकी और मेरी बातें सुन रहा है वो Keep Moving Movement के बारे में और जानना चाहेगा. तो इसी नाम से मिल जाएंगे आप लोग Facebook पे.
Yeah, Keep Moving Movement. Maybe you may have to type Pune.
There, I found it, and I'm liking the page right now. और मेरी सबसे जो भी इस वक्त हमको सुन रहा है उन सबसे मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है, you also go ahead, check out all the details of Keep Moving Movement, like that page, and volunteer also if you can. Do whatever you can to help them grow.
Yes, yes.
Meanwhile, time to play out another request of yours. तो बताइए और कौन सा गाना लगाऊं मैं मारिया एंड ज़हनाज़ के लिए?
3 Idiots. जब life हो out of control.
Ah, nice.
It's a very chilling out. We want the kids to chill out totally, not take life very seriously.
Fantastic. Coming up on 94.3 Radio 1, maximum music, maximum choice. Hey, you are with me, Shubhra. Stay tuned in. Calcutta-wala and Zehnaz Lokhand-wala. They are working for Keep Moving Movement. Details तो जान जाएंगे, पहले स्वागत किया जाए. Welcome Maria and welcome Zehnaz.
Happy afternoon, Shubhra.
Hi, Shubhra.
Hi. Tell me, what is this Keep Moving Movement all about?
Well, we go to various schools, CBSE board, right up to corporation schools. We go there, we give lectures to students 8th up to 12th standard. We are targeting 14,000 children across 225 classes, and we are around 530 volunteers.
My God, that's a big group and that's a big number you're targeting.
फिर भी बहुत कम है.
At least you're making a start somewhere.
Yes, yes,
right?
we are,
and the good
we
word always spreads. Okay, first of all, tell me, ये Keep Moving Movement, इसकी शुरुआत किसने करी थी? And why did they decide to call it Keep Moving Movement?
The organization was founded by Narendra Godaini. Keep Moving Movement is launched in 2010. He believes that inspiration fills our minds with imagination. Inspiration is what fills hearts with passion. Inspiration is what fills our bodies with a drive to perform.
So Zehnaz, how long have you been associated with this movement, Keep Moving Movement?
This is our first year with KMM, and I must say we are enjoying ourselves, and you can't get something where you don't enjoy yourself. And the kids, when they respond to us, when we tell them a very humorous joke and they start laughing loud, that is what inspires us to go back to them.
Keep Moving Movement के volunteers Zehnaz Lokhand-wala and Maria Calcutta-wala in the studios of 94.3 Radio 1. अगर आप भी किसी भी तरह से किसी भी humanitarian cause से जुड़े हैं तो मुझे उसके बारे में जरूर बताएं. You can catch me on Facebook, MJ Shubhra इस नाम से मिल जाऊंगी. Otherwise, just log on to facebook.com, Radio 1 Pune, like that page and stay connected and inbox all your details there as well. Request show है girls, Maria and Zehnaz, बताओ कौन सा गाना तुम्हारे लिए लगाऊं?
How about रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के, especially for the children.
And especially for the movement. Keep
For the
moving
movement, yes, yes.
Lovely choice
Yes,
over there.
yeah.
Coming up on 94.3 Radio 1. Stay tuned in with me, Shubhra.
ICICILombard.com presents Get Some Sun Season 3 on Radio 1.
Playing out your request 12 se 5, but also chatting up with guests who are in the studios. I have Zehnaz Lokhand-wala and Maria Calcutta-wala. They are associated with the Keep Moving Movement, in which they go and give motivational lectures to students, age group of class 8 to 12, right?
Yes.
Right. अच्छा बताइए तो Maria, Keep Moving Movement आपने join किया है. You've seen a change it has brought in your life also.
Exactly. This is one platform where I've come into contact with great people. It has given me a healthy boost. It has raised my self-confidence, my self-esteem. It has given me a life satisfaction. And it gives me a sense of pride. It has given me an identity altogether.
So you're working for the people, you're working for the kids, you're helping them out, but it has helped you also.
Yes, at the same time, I think I am building myself. My potential has come out, actually.
Wow, fantastic, fantastic. That's one thing, people need to realize. That when you're giving something to somebody, you're not just totally giving. There's a lot you're getting back in return. Zehnaz?
I would like to elaborate on that. The sessions that we give in school, we live those sessions for 10 days.
Okay.
And before giving the session in school, we need to experience it and put it in front of the kids.
Okay.
We have been talking about courage. We have been talking about anger management. We have been talking about setting goals. We have been talking about happiness and gratitude. जो phenomenal change हमें हुआ है when we have lived those sessions to be experienced. We are actually living this. We are implementing it with our family, with our near and dear ones. We try to put it in practice and help anybody around us.
Okay. I wish you all the best with this Keep Moving movement. Maria and Zehnaz, thank you so much for coming here. Request time. तो एक और गाना लगाऊं?
I would like to sing one song. This song particularly gives me a lot of courage.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Yes.
Let's have it. And then after that, I'll play out your request also. Yeah, let's have it. Let's have it.
जोडी तोरे दाग शोने कोई ना शे तो बे एकला चलो रे जोडी तोरे दाग शोने कोई ना शे तो बे एकला चलो रे तो बे एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे जोडी तोरे दाग शोने कोई ना शे तो बे एकला चलो रे जब काली घटा छाए ओरे ओ अंधेरा सच को निगल जाए जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए तू शोला बन जा वो शोला बन जा जो खुद जल के जहां रोशन कर दे एकला जलो रे जोड़ी तोरे दाग शुने कोई ना आशे तो बे एकला चलो रे which means if you have nobody and if you have respect for others and courage for yourself walk alone.
Wonderful. और एक गाना क्यों ना आप लोगों की पसंद का हो जाए रिक्वेस्ट शो पे.
We would like to dedicate the song Mustafa to our husband because Zehnaz and my husband names is Mustafa and in this entire KMM movement our husbands have been very supportive. They're only the names.
Just to make things clear, there are two Mustafas over there. Lovely. Coming up on 94.3 Radio 1. Hey, we were talking to Keep Moving movement ke volunteers Maria Calcutta Wala and Zehnaz Lokhandwala. Stay tuned in with me, Shubhra.
नमस्कार, मी अभिषेक कृष्णा